Hello there, today I will be guiding you with creating your BuildBee account. Firstly, you want to open up a browser and head to app.buildbee.com. From there, click Create and enter your email and password. Press the Create Account button. Now BuildBee will ask for a name. This can be your IRL name or a nickname. Enter your age and country, then accept the terms and conditions and press Submit. BuildBee will now present you with a quick tour of the home page. Now you will need to access the inbox of the email you used to sign up to BuildBee. In your inbox, you should find a verification email from BuildBee. Press this button and you should be verified. Now, if you are going to be using your school's or organization's printer, you will need to click the drop-down menu and press Join School or Organization. The site managers will provide you with a code. Enter the code in the box and press Join. That's all. You have now successfully created a BuildBee account.